Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a blank page in PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF XChange Editor. Now click this file option and here you will find this with blank pages. Click here and I will create 3 blank pages and this is standard. You can add custom pages and you can change page orientation and simply select OK. This thumbnail option and see this 3 pages blank page now created. Also you can insert blank pages in a existing PDF file. Click open your existing PDF file. Now click this organize option and here you will find this insert option and select empty pages. You can add empty pages as like this document here, document, and see this document measurement page here. I'll add on pages before this document first page. Now select OK and see this. Again you can create new blank page here with blank page. I'll add 5 blank page and select and see this. Another blank page created, new blank page. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.